975 days till new high. Crypto fear and greed indices 47%, which is neutral. Used to be almost 80%, which is extreme greed, but we pulled back to the 47%. And obviously we're currently testing 45.5k support area. It's pretty big. It used to be pretty big support area. It's currently still a big support area, and we are hoping for a bounce. We'll see what's gonna happen there, and hope him is still there for this support at least. But below this support, I think it would be pretty bad for the short term. And currently we are trading below MA ribbons on a 4-hour time frame and all of the 50 to 100 MA. On the daily time frame, we're currently trading below 200 MA, which means we're gonna have a much slower golden cross on a daily time frame. MACD is looking negative, same on a 4-hour time frame. You can see how big of a red face on the 4-hour time frame is, but 4-hour time frame and daily time frame is currently looking oversold, except of a weekly time frame, which is looking neutral on RSI, but MACD is finishing the green phase, so it's pretty bad. So yeah, it's kind of most of the time frames are looking negative or neutral, kind of something between those two. So yeah, Bitcoin is having a correction. Happens all the time, but obviously it's kind of sad, but what can you do? Short term pullbacks like this creates the opportunities for the DCA, for the people who DCA or who missed the nice entry point. So now you're gonna have plenty of time for the nice entry point. So that's pretty much all TA for today. Also, BNB is currently trading at $400, Ethereum 3.3k, BTC dominance is kind of flat, 42%. We had a spike, but then everybody started buying all of the altcoins, so after obviously we had a dump after them on the BTC dominance. So yeah, that's pretty much all TA for today. Hoping for a bounce from 55.5k, and obviously, oh wait, what was the what was the 2k green candle? I mean 2k move, like it was like 47k. Did I just got the, okay, so let's move on to the Electra group. So Electra group hints at the inclusion of Lightning Network payments in Mexico, which is again, that's a pretty big retail franchise in Mexico, so they're hinting for the possibility of integration of a Bitcoin payment system under layer solution, obviously as a Lightning Network. Also, Flexa hops into El Salvador with Lightning payment as Bitcoin law goes live. You can see crypto firms are rushing into El Salvador as a Bitcoin becomes legal tender. So we can see the demand, which, and again, legal tender, you can see creates big demands for these crypto firms, which would create less fees on payments, would create much accurate price on during the payment. So that's pretty good. After that, we got some news from India, which is former Reserve Bank officially pushes for India to accept crypto, which is pretty huge actually. Also, McDonald's now accept Bitcoin, but only in El Salvador. Also, not only Bitcoin, also Starbucks accept Bitcoin. So we got two huge giants what is breakfast, I mean, in what is industry called, in a eating type of industry, are now accepting Bitcoin, but sadly only in El Salvador. Maybe in the future we're gonna see more, but we'll see what's gonna happen there. So yeah, it's pretty much all news and TA for today. Yeah, so hoping for the bounce and obviously for the new all-time high in the future to the moon.